Sarpong, Pame Brapeni, Senior Research Fellow, Kumasi Technical University. Yenin in Komo, weekend the NPP for one more constituency elections, course, Yena yet some cook so, and some be brave, we find him say Yom Paul. And it's Yebeka Masonafe, Nhyira Edin Komo. Yes, Prof, good morning.
Yes, sir. Nhyira and Prof.
Hey, Prof.
Adio.
Prof. Oh, China, but in the Great. You did some pomoko. My Good. NPP constituency elections, me say we need a na. Well, at the turn of events, said in Nemasi course, so who is saying, young can say a normal. You say, oh, a banya na partia, a preserve power, the menu ye idiot, Nema course, I say in Che Yeniade, but send out from where you stand.
Good. My man was a pa that, in fact, me more about a seer pa. From Ramo to media. Good. What boy you must know, baby, be a serious mark and from silver to time to baby beer. I will see where you must say, but then I'm a baby in no service. You've distinguished yourself. Now, maybe I may what GDS said, what if you can see me? Sabu, you my pa over to us. And for your wedding, say, you will be in Nimpenia with you.
Amen.
And Yaman come where you're more cover.
Amen. I see.
Good. NPP for us to only constituency level elections. Maybe a margin mono, maybe a different
Nhyira fan.
Sabi, and then one if Pedro Kakra ever and then one. A better mama say to me, see what Catholic Bishops Conference in it's missing what Methodist. It's missing what Presby General Assembly like. And for me, Persian and Quadrant, and what about me will be. Ebetimi aba meji tum se ebi ohon mo ayehu ya na ani enyan eno de wu hu wasofo no se bi aye to atwede de de but then comment mo ase de okay normal moment but I mean largely all in all dodo no baby bia asumge ba and then bia asumge ba na do so say baby ba ko mi ni sa yete kasa kakra me kakra so money in terms of percentage you can score the NPP over 90% peaceful election. 90%.
I see.
Or even more. Now we have a party in opposition. In fact, in the Ashanti region, the party is not in opposition like that. Because out of the 47 seats in Ashanti, the NPP still holds a higher number of the seats. And you had the Ashanti region, there is a stronghold.
Nhyira fan.
Due to internal party election, no, I had name worship because Udi chairman or NPP more Ashanti regional. You are likely to at least have an MP in power in the parliament, even if your government is not in power. Kuranoa, Udi will be a concrete in Ashanti region. And I had the common different, but even here in Ashanti, at least out of the 47 constituencies. I mean, we could count just about 6 of them. You can talk about Kwabri East,
East, yeah.
And then you talk about
Bantama.
Yes. Then you talk about Bantama, Obuasi West. Then you talk about Tafo. And just about 6, if I've counted them well. Then seeing Kwan, I bet me I can end a manson quantanso in Samba community. Apart from manson quanta, Yinehini, and that's in Pumia constituency, Obuasi West, Tafo, and Central East, Yakaye. Apart from Enabantama, apart from saying Sieno, I think it's largely the remaining 41 constituencies, so 47. We in Siena, 41 constituencies have been able to conduct their elections peacefully. Emma and they, Yakase, Umayi, Penifua, Ebedi Ubedi. But who pictures Libya It was more of a joyous occasion. One more when we're okay about the outcome and all those things. And the national memo of 90%, urban or regional, so they qualify for about 90% because if from 47 constituencies,
Nhyira FM
elections in 41 constituencies, not in Nhyira idea. 41 out of 47 million. I think they have largely done well. Whoever expected a contest because Matthew Macau be a mano. Above one and
I see. Now, Prof, near this time Timmy was by most of them no constituencies are not injunction at Dasso. You ask yourself, say, injunction that's what then and a tuabano. Then would the party uphold results of the elections are now?
Well, not injunction, no. Usually, you know, injunction that yes, so dear, and the thing is suspended temporarily because it's a BT offensive case, and so I'm not in for twice. And so, me know you know, Edim say. Your phone degree, NDC, NPP, they have on several occasions ignored injunctions and gone ahead to do elections. Several of them. Several of them. In fact, parliamentary primaries, and they do it, and we know. I have records of NDC events, NPP events on several occasions. They are able to ignore injunctions. So, maybe cause injunction to change baby. And you do out the Mensanka. Yes, electoral commissioner said Mensanka. Yes, the commercial my wadoji, and much as we call ourselves law abiding people, yes, in Brasu, several locations are injunction so. And then if one to meet back and be swear to abandon Emma party, so but I mean, the honor, master the caution said, Sanya be sad to be magic. For example, a place like Bantamapa, Stronghold, Bantama. Nasa went to near CSC, now to be mamma, wants to wait to meet the demo Chairman versus MP. Can you imagine? Chairman Jinabrane, MP Jinabrane, and Jacoya fear for me in Bigana, and to know about Akoya for me, you will be our domination. Sans and be said, was a partner for the land, for the man this year. You see, your stronghold, you will still win, but up to the man of what's nephew, the side that will feel dissatisfied, one can't send me one Tommy, or to my NDC, or be MP before. But if you crab and come we are lucky and move come out get them blood. I got to my president and to my MP. But 1 year lucky is what some of them will stay home. And they be a man and come out and say, about the Nipan Conanco better my wa. 1 qua what 20.
Sir,
1 qua what 20. Until we had no music. My son Quantances are also party chairman versus Minia Foucault MP most of Sarpong and some Obuasi West. Yes, a party Mrafe. Wa Uja party Nuhokoya independent Jumebiano. Yedo Boniato. The declaration was made somewhere early this year. But Ubusa Kaka who said Bonina Ediato now will be a time female MPP Nino. What position there Nadia and you will now call independent and I call baby. And check a graduate for 2 years and what you have contested. The situation at Obuasi West is that Obia or call Bisa, our party no declare then the engineer Sambayan. Eka contest no will be a raise issue. Yakata Bakra, the Kaiba tray for 2 years, Kakra. And Sanawaba, why are you now coming? We are going to movement also and some Nikon Congo. Okotafua say. Obaha say send any kind such east the and also get the injunction other than motor about now we have Hana police but the American say a higher stronghold. All those constituencies now can well yes 70 na se nipa ni bibu anyo so no mu yesa ni sadia mo ada mo share mo bra so bi ko independent ko dey e ko independent adwuma no ba on tete ye bu ye nyebusu ya mana ba ni ade na e fa bi so ko ye dissatisfied na se we ni we abon ho system ye se eso ni abon na MP kita e wo ma so nkwanta eso na abon wa friend say chairman le e for kita.
Yes.
We are
serious.
Baby, as I'm telling you, for Obudo Matini to Mabane, but a lot of the aspirants got to see the album on the election day. Okay, I say, and the Sabe, never do one more separate in Penny 40 meters na Omuka, no Musi, because yes, sir, that's a stronghold. Obi and Kotua Panua, and find a set no one or two. What 20?
Obi say sabre wumi nanka obe expect say obi beto aba na bia wato no wrongfully wanto no yeni say a rejected ballot education is still a so ehia na say wo form ana say e den na tumi ba ne basa because bia dru de obi be ka say yanka bia ya pass ade no
yampa ho sa
I see
yampa ho sa na ye addition sem no enya enko ani said we are still a very high percentage of illiteracy country. Urban NPP delegates more about some 14% be illiterate. They cannot read, they cannot write. And even though you can say 86% of them are literate, you still have to consider those 14% who are kind of disadvantaged when it comes to reading and writing. As an employee, ni go on ade ni si akọ hu ni mienu ni ade as akra ni esanso wo omu a omu de esebe abro ni bayi timeto ase do ye dey ani pesu no ene ye illiteracy level no ena e bia peniye na e bia ni subiri ni ade bi no mo ho no mo genuinely wan say this person so dem hu ade papa ene go on ko an express no we have a lot of challenge in the system now. We are there. I estimate the illiteracy level of NPP delegates to be 14%.
14%.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, and I define literacy as reading English and writing English.
I see.
And yes, yeah. And a problem. 14% of them. And I still won't be surprised if there is a rejected ballot. One, because AB and and number two, obviously, that you will be
I see. Well, out of 276 constituencies, elections were successfully and peacefully conducted in 245 constituencies, representing 88.7% success rate. You talk of more than even 90%, but the party is saying that 88.7%.
Yes. So I am not speaking based on collated data.
Okay.
Omudoma quality data, and they put it at 86%.
Okay.
Statistically, there wouldn't be much difference between 86% and 90%. Whereas Omudeta not 86%, and I think it is still an A+, or the university scoring.
Okay.
86 will still be excellent. It will still be A+. And then I make say now be expected hey.
Okay.
A party that NPP 276 points. In fact, at some point, some of these competitions for me is allowed, and there is something at stake. Often MPP and NDC, there is something at stake, and just as the party think it Udi penny will mukwe enko baby. NPP dear. Udi penny will mua. Oh, your constituency secretary. Oh, your constituency chairman.
Nhyira FM.
A bit on what the kind of contract they get when their parties are in government. Yeah, say no question, no question. Chairman now, war NDC Mua Kaswa. yes, a contract be or at least while you can cry if you are a chairman or a party executive of NPP and NDC. And while you are what the end you are crash
okay.
And just a party now can answer be. Million preaching will be my found right at the strawberry running mate. Presidential running mate too. And the levels
all right.
Full respect to the NDC, full respect to the NPP.
Okay.
For them, there's something else.
Great, Prof. You better see and pay a bravo senior. Good. On council, Professor Smart Sarpong, Senior Research Fellow, Kumasi Technical University, and Motese and then Common